New Zealand is known for unique activities, one of which is that it happens to be the birthplace of zorbing, downhill ball rolling inside a giant inflatable sphere. ZORB Rotorua is run by the inventors of the sport, and they ship balls around the world, other sites too. They're located on the rolling hills of the countryside, above the lake, and below some cows. Basically, the idea is they seal you inside this giant plastic ball with some water so you slosh around instead of tumble, and then push you down a huge hill following one of their 4 tracks. I'm getting zipped in. It's very echoey in here. I can't see crap. Oh, God! Whoa! I, of course, had to try all 4. On the dual straight tracks, Danny and I raced in separate balls. We have no idea who won because it was our first track and we were both far too disoriented at the end to be paying attention. We also had to do the big air track on our own due to the bump, but we could do the Sidewinder track together. This is the windiest one and currently the longest track in the world, which is in contrast to the final track called Mega, which is just one huge hill straight down. The air was not warm in Rotorua in September, but the water in the balls is warmed up. They have a sauna and heat lamps at the bottom, and hot tubs at the top, and the bottom too. We were literally the only people there most of the time, so this setup kept us plenty warm. They do a good job at that. People get driven up the hill in a van, but the balls ride on this sweet custom ski lift contraption. I was fascinated. This was awesome. I'd do it again, but it was much more intense than I expected, actually, like a water slide at a water park, but longer and where you can't actually see where you're going. I'm apparently getting old and was feeling the wooziness a little by the end. I maybe didn't need to do all 4 tracks. I'd probably suggest one of the straight ones based on if you want to race or ride together, plus the Sidewinder track. Brings me a lot of joy when people appreciate my stuff, so please do subscribe if this was useful or entertaining. I'll be grouping up all my New Zealand activity videos in a playlist here if you'd like to check out others from our trip. Thanks for watching.